Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Malik Farooq. The topic for the class 11th, as we are dealing with the structural organization in animal tissues. Today's topic is functions of epithelial tissues. Functions of very, very important question from the syllabus point of view. Number first, it acts as boundary. Epithelial tissue overlies the outer and internal surface of various organs, cavities and the exterior of the body. यानी जो epithelial tissue है ये as a boundary act करता है. It overlies outer and internal surface of various organs, cavities and exterior of the body. Number second, it acts as barrier. It constitutes the selective barrier that permits some substances to enter and leaves covered structure. Transitional epithelium is barrier to leakage of urine and osmotic passage of water into it. And number second, it is a barrier. It constitutes the selective barrier that permits some substances. यानी जो epithelial tissue वो कुछ substance को allow करता है which are useful, which are meaningful to the body, which are not harmful to the body, and leaves the covered structure. Transitional epithelium is a barrier to leakage the urine and osmotic passage of the water into it. Number third, it acts as protective in the protection. The tissue forms a protective surface adapted to meeting various stresses like abortion, mechanical pressure, drying up, osmotic changes, microbes, harmful chemicals, etc. Number third, exoskeleton. It consists of hair, nails, claws, hoofs, horns, feathers, etc. They are formed by the epithelial covering of the body. It acts as exoskeleton, jild, exoskeleton. Number five, secretions. All glands except neurosecretory cells are made up of epithelial tissues. All glands except neurosecretory cells are made up of epithelial tissue. They include both exocrine and endocrine glands. Non-keratinized surface epithelium are often kept moist by the mucus-producing globular cells present in them. So it acts as secretion material also. Excretion. Various steps in urine formation and conduction are carried out by the epithelial tissue. They include ultrafiltration in Bowman's capsule, tubular reabsorption, and tubular secretion. What do you mean by excretion? The removal of waste products from the body. So the epithelial tissue acts as a main role in that. उसके बाद है cerebrospinal fluid. It is excreted from the blood over the choroid plexus by epithelium called ependyma. Cerebrospinal. It is excreted from the blood over choroid plexus by the epithelium called epidermis. यानी cerebrospinal fluid जो blood से extract होता है on the choroid this plexus by epithelium called epidermis. इसके बाद इसकी एक और फंक्शन है myoepithelium. It is contractile epithelium which brings about initial flow of the secretory fluids from glands. इसके बाद एक और फंक्शन है इसकी absorption. Epithelial cells having microvilli develop a large surface area suitable for rapid absorption of materials, for example intestinal mucosa. यानी जो absorption है absorption में ही help करता है कौन? Epithelial tissues. Exchange of materials. Epithelial covering of blood capillaries allow exchange of materials, nutrients, wastage, gases, and other biochemicals between blood and living cells through tissue. Respiration. Exchange of gases between blood and inhaled air occurs across the epithelial lining of alveoli. It also helps in the respiration. Material movement. Beating of cilia of ciliate epithelium ensures movement of fluids in the fine channels, for example, flow of urine in uniferous tubules, mucus and its contaminants, dust particles, microbes, etc. Regeneration. Epithelial tissue has a high degree of regenerative power. Therefore, it helps in quick repair of injuries and healing of wounds. Reproduction. Epithelial tissue has a high degree of regenerative power, therefore it helps in quick repair of injuries and healing of wounds. Reproduction. Gametes, ova, and sperms are produced by specialized epithelium called germinal epithelium. So, epithelial tissue जो है, it is the role acting tissue. That means it acts. Its part is 99% in functions, just like boundary, barrier, protection, exoskeleton, secretion, excretion, cerebrospinal fluid, absorption, exchange of materials, respiration, material movement, regeneration, reproduction, sensation. Sensations are perceived only with the help of special sensory epithelium present in the various sense organs like nasal epithelium, taste buds, etc. And last one is pigmentation. Pigmented epithelium occurs of retina in contact with the choroid. It darkens the cavity of eyeball and prevents internal reflection of light rays. So it also helps in the pigmentation. That's all for today. Next, we will deal with the connective tissue. Thank you. Thanks for watching this lecture.